how to make your computer or laptop faster in under of 10 minutes. So hi guys, welcome to Move On video, and in today's video we are going to show you how to increase the performance of your computer. So the first thing actually we are going to do is very simple. We are going to go here on the desktop and click with the Windows button. Then we are going to type Windows Update. This option will show Windows Update settings and you're going to click it. Wait for it to load, and for me it's turn off the option get the latest updates as shown as they are available. If you are with that market, please mark that this, leave it on, because that will help you a lot. A lot of problems that may be happening in your computer or laptop. The second method, guys, for you to increase the performance of your computer or laptop, mostly laptop, we are going to click on the Windows button again. Then we are going to write power, and then here add power plan. This screen will show up. We are going to click on change advanced power settings. When this screen show up, we are going to go down here. We are going to look for this option, processor power management. Check if that's on 0 and that's on 100. After that, we are going here on balanced and click on high performance. Do that, we are going to apply and OK. So changing your computer power plan to high performance boosts performance by keeping the CPU, GPU, and drives at the maximum operation states, reducing responding times and enhancing multitasking capabilities. So this setting prevents components from entering power-saving modes, which can slow down data access and system responsiveness. That's why we did it. So the next one, we are going to click here on File Explorer. And this is the third method, guys. We are going here on this PC, click with the right button, go on Properties. Then we are going on Advanced System Settings. And here on System Properties, we are going to click on Performance. Here we are going to click on Adjust for Best Performance. Here we can click on Show Thumbnails instead of icons. Show Windows content while dragging if you like the animation of the window. And you can go on Enable Peak. You can go on Apply and OK. I like the animations and my computer isn't slow, so I'm gonna keep it that way. But that's something that I used a lot from when I was young. The second part is in the same place. Go on Settings, then Advanced. Here on Programs, we are going to click on Change on Virtual Memory. We are going to click on Automatically Managing Page and File Size for all drives. And here we are going to select the most hard disk, go on Custom Size, and put at least 20,000. In the maximum, you can go on 40, but check if you have this kind of option. For me, I have 8080, so it's enough, okay? Then click on Set and OK. You can do the same on background service. Another method that we can do here is go on Windows plus R, write temp, click OK, then delete everything that is in this part. Do this for all current 8 items and click on skip. Sometimes you will not be able to delete everything, and that's okay. To continue, we are going to do the same, Windows plus R, and we are going to put just a percentage in the front and in the back, in the beginning. Let's keep the temp right here. Let's click OK. Here I have 653 items. We are going to click Ctrl A and delete. Like I said, some files will not be deleted, and that's okay. For me, it remained sexth files. Another command that we are going to use is Windows R again to show this option, the Run tab. Then we are going to write perfetch and click OK. Continue and do this same. Do this for all the current items. Skip. Deleting the contents of the temp, percentage, and perfetch folders helps improve your computer speed by removing necessary files that accumulate over time. Okay? It only have temporary files, which can slow down your system as they build up. After you did that, go on the recycle bin and empty the recycle bin. Another thing that you can do as well is if you use the NIVDIA, you can go on desktop, click with the right button, go on NIVDIA control panel. And here we are going to click on adjust the image settings with preview. Use the advanced 3D image settings. We are going to click on right here. Use my preference, emphasizing. Let's put on the performance and just click OK. Beside that, we are going to go on manage 3D settings. Here we are going to go down. Here on power management mode, we are going to click let on prefer maximum performance. Here on texture filtering quality, we're going to do the same, high performance. After that, we are going to click next, and that part is finished. Another thing that you can do is defragment your hard drive. To do that, we are going on File Export like I did. We are going to choose the drive that we want. Click with the right button, go on Properties, and then we are going to Tools, and then Optimize and Defragment the drive. Just click Optimize and click Optimize. That will help a lot. Another tip that I want to give you guys is use an antivirus. I recommend a lot the 360 Total Security. That's the one I'll use. It's free. You can go on Google and just download it for free. After you have downloaded, you can go here, go on full check or virus scan, and you can do a quick scan, full scan, or custom scan, where you're going to choose a place that you can go. It's very cool. It's easy to use, and it's free. Go check that out. Another tip that is very simple, but it's necessary. You can go on panel, control panel, go on programs and install program. When you're in that part, you can see every program that you have and choose the one that you do not use. Click the right button and go on install. That will help your computer a lot as well. If this video helped you guys, please leave a like, leave a subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video with more solutions. If it helped you, please comment below. If it didn't, please comment as well. That way I can know if it's not working. See you guys in the next video, and bye bye.